I'm going to show you how to use tick data, how to get tick data to build an edge in crypto. Tick data is every single order on the order book and every change of price. So you can see things like, okay, how many times did it hit the all-time high or the all-time low? Jim Simons and a bunch of other quants swear by tick data, and if you have access to collect tick data, you're going to be able to build an edge that nobody else has because everybody else is using open, high, low, closed volume data. Now, in just a second, I'm going to scroll through all of the code so you see everything. I'm going to show you everything in this video, how to use it, etc. I want to make sure that this does get committed to GitHub as well. So git commit /m tick data added. So now you can get tick data. You can see I'm uploading the tick data, the periodic converter. So let's say git push. Now this isn't for everybody, but what I would like you to go ahead and do is tap that like button right now, and we're going to dive in. And like I said, just in a second, I'm going to show you all the code. So no worries if you're not already a part of Quant Elite and the inner circle, but those people get the tick data. All the code is here. Like I said, in just a second, if you lock in, I'll show you all of the code right here, right now. And this will be game changing because it's a whole different data set that nobody else has. Well, very few have. The real quants, they have it. I can't wait to show you everything in this short, concise video. Go ahead and tap the like button, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's lock in, bro. For real. I'm going to show you how to build an edge with tick data. Tick data is getting all of the orders, the bids, the asks sitting there on Binance. And here's all the code. Matter of fact, I'm just going to scroll through it really quickly so you can see it. But essentially, you make all your imports here. And this will collect the data too. So it's saving it, right? So configure the login here. And then here is the initial class. Let me go ahead and open this up a little bit. Ultra fast real-time Binance data collector using multiple streams. So I'm using multiple streams here to try to speed it up. Data storage, statistics, control flags, signal handler. A lot of people swear by tick data, and I'm very excited to collect this tick data. I've been collecting it for about 3 weeks, a month, but now I'm going to go ahead and put it on my server, and then ideally put it on my API as well, because I've been using the MoonDev API a lot for my liquidation data. That's just something internal for me and the homies, but this will be a good thing that I'll be able to pull from the tick data as well. Regardless, it can just be set up on a server, super easy to do. I show you how to do that across my videos, but I want to show you all the code for how to actually collect this data right now so you have access to it for the rest of your life. And if you do want to set it up on a server or something, that's what I'm going to do right now. I know Wall Street's never going to show you this information, so I wanted to just show you really quickly. This is all the code. I'm not going to talk about it too much. You can ask AI if you got questions, but I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you get all this code here so you have tick data, because like I said, a lot of people swear by tick data, and we built out some OFI back tests and saw some cool things. And I think this could be at minimum a nice filter for strategies that I have working or other strategies that may be close to working. I'm not sure. We'll explore, but more data for a data dog is exactly what I want. So I probably should have set this up a month ago when I set it up on my computer, but that was a new move. I've been collecting the liquidation data for over a year now. So everybody asks, Munda, why you have all these things on your screen? Why you so cute with it all the time? Why you gotta be such a cool guy? I'm collecting the data, dog. And if I look at everything on the screen, I can see when the orders speed up, okay, what's going to happen to the liquidations? Anything that will spark an idea. That's the only reason I love this game so much, is because it's idea after idea and shot after shot. You get to test everything, dude. So I'm going to go ahead and take this code now, and I'm going to go ahead and set it up on my server. Super easy to do. I just showed you all of the code. So I use Ubuntu, a server, like, you know, whatever. Just type in VPS server. I don't want to say a name of a company. Everybody thinks I'm shilling one. So I got no connection there with any. But you can go ahead and just type in VPS. And all I have to do is log in and go ahead and put it in there. I want to explore this data a little bit more first before I set up my server. I want to make sure everything is clear between you and I. And